Hi there, this is Erin from CraftsEverywhere. Today I am going to give you a quick tutorial on how to do cabling. I use a cable needle. Now, I used to use a crochet hook. When I first started knitting, my stitches would get way too tight when I put them on this, and I'm still a pretty tight knitter. So when I started, I used a crochet hook that was the same size as my knitting needles. So just whatever works the best for you. So here I'm at the beginning of the braid. We're doing the Quinn Cable Beanie is my new pattern, and it has 3-strand braids. But it's the same principle no matter what you're doing for cabling. So for this part of the braid, we're slipping to the front of your work. So we're doing 5 stitches for this one. So I'm just gonna put my 5 stitches on the cable needle here. And since we're slipping to the front, your stitches that are on your cable needle stay to the front of your work, and then all you're doing is you're gonna knit the next 5 as you normally would. Let's get that one flipped around. 4, 5. Okay, so I've knit 5 like normal, and now all you're gonna do, pick up the cable needle here, and then I have pretty tight tension, so I have to scooch everything around to get to it. And then all you're doing is knitting those 5 stitches off the cable needle. Trying to jump. Okay, there we go. And then for the third part of the braid, all you're doing is you're just knitting again like usual. There you go. You can see how the braid is going up again. And then you would just, for this pattern, it's all cables, and so you would just start right over again. And if you were cabling to the back, you would, you would slip your stitches onto the cable needle the same way. And then instead of holding it in the front of your work, all you do is hold it in the back like that. And then that would twist the braid strand the other way. So there you go. That's how to cable.